There was a season of my life where everything looked right on the outside, but inside, I felt invisible. I had the career, I had the composure, I had the appearance of having it all together. What I didn't have was my voice. So before marriage, my life personally, I was a professional woman living in Washington, D.C. I had a good, solid foundation of friends and family. I enjoyed myself. I loved to just go out and be social and have fun. I was definitely happily single. Yes, I dated. I think I had a good balance of work and life. I was raised having a knowledge of God, going to church. I can honestly say that I relied a lot on my mother's faith and my family's faith for me. Success for me back then, honestly, it was a lot of monetary and material things that I equated to success. I met my husband at the time. We had mutual friends. He had moved to Atlanta for work. And so as our relationship progressed, I ended up moving to Atlanta. Don't know anyone but him. And within the time that I moved to Atlanta, 10, 11 months later, less than a year, we were married. Honestly, even from the beginning, I got some signals and some red flags. Within the first few months of us being married, I had a clear answer of question, what did I just do? But wanting to be honorable to my vows, not wanting to be divorced, not wanting to be embarrassed, you make it work. It's definitely not confident in my voice at all, and not even really sure who Linda was. I knew I had a lot of labels, right? I'm a therapist, I was a wife, a sister and a friend, but I didn't really know who I was outside of the titles or the labels. I actually almost idolized my husband and the marriage, looking for a sense of identity. Really recognizing that the marriage was coming to an end. It literally was like my whole world was turned upside down. I lost not just the person I was going to spend forever with and losing the marriage, but I was losing things attached to the marriage, friends of the marriage. I felt like I was literally dying, and it felt like grieving the death of a person. It really put me in a very dark space. I didn't feel like I had anyone. There were days I did not want to do anything. Most days it was hard to get out of the bed. I was forced to say, God, I can't do this without you. So it went from I don't know what to do and desperation to I desire him all the time. I was still going through divorce, yes, and I came across CCI one day scrolling on Instagram. There was an advertisement for a masterclass, and then I saw it again. And so when I saw it again, I was like, let me see what this is about. And so I signed up for the masterclass. And it was actually very life-changing. Like in the moment, I was like, she's talking to me. And so from there, I did the boot camp, not knowing that that's where I was going to be led, but I enrolled in Call Coach Institute, and at the time when I enrolled, it was Call Coach Academy. Gosh, it was just such a life-changing journey for me. It not only allowed me to recognize my voice, but it also helped to cultivate my relationship with God. It's allowed all of the creative genius that's been dormant in me to rise to the top. It wasn't until I again, going through the program, graduating, I joined the Momentum program thereafter to help cultivate the business side of things and still trying to, really refine what my niche was. I started my business and my brand, which is Say It Forward. And under that brand ecosystem, I have my podcast, which is Say It Forward with Lou. And then I have my coaching, which is Say It Forward Coaching. God is so good because, the same, institute that I became a certified Christian life coach in, CCI, called Coach Institute, I now work with them as a mentor coach. So I get to take what was poured in me and assist now in pouring back into other women. If I had to speak to myself back then and to a woman who feels how I felt back then now, I would tell her to keep going because it's going to get better. Trust God because He doesn't end in a deficit, and it will get better, and He will use all of it for your good, truly.